Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for your Google form. Whenever you scan your QR code, then automatically your Google form will open. Okay, so keep watching. In this video I will show you step by step all the process, so you will learn very interesting thing today. So we are going to close these things and we are going to open Google Forms. So here you can see that this is my Google Chrome browser, and here I'm going to search Google Form. Okay, and when I search Google Form, then I get this URL. You simply click on this first URL and click on go to forms. So friend, now you can see that this is my form dashboard is showing, and here you can see this is my sample form which I want to create a QR code of this form. Okay, so what I will do, we are going to click on this three dot icon, and here you will get these options. Okay, you can simply click on this pre-link, and friend, here you will see this is the sample of your Google form. So right now we are going to click on this send button, and here you will get this sharing option. So here we are going to click on this URL link and then click on this shortened link. Okay, so this will the short link. We are going to copy it and open in new Ignoto mode, and we are going to simply paste this link. Then what happened, this URL will open. Okay, so we are going to close these things, and here we are going to view this form. Okay, this form actually we want to convert in QR code. You simply right click on this page, and then you can get this option create QR code for this page. You simply click on that, and here you will get this QR code. Okay, you simply click on this download button. So here you will see that this is my QR code for that form. Okay, so you can simply share this QR code to anyone, and they will automatically redirect to your form. So by this way you can easily create your QR code for your Google form. So friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, this is the very interesting tutorial how you can create QR code of your Google form. I hope friend you learn something new. Please click on like button and comment me below what things you like. If you like this video and I solve your problem, then please comment me below, so that will motivate me for make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.